again. So this is the continued series talking about HubSpot free CRM tips and tricks. So previously we had a 13-minute video where we built a website, not completely all the content, but basically the structure and the setup. It was quite just step by step, works pretty good. And then we had a second video, I believe, talking about some of the other features within that. And today I want to talk specifically about snippets and templates. And this is still working in the free version of HubSpot. My goal is to show you tools you can use right now. And if you choose to, they can grow with you as your business grows, ideally. So what I want to show you is, especially if you're using some of the basic sales tools, right? I think we looked at maybe the deals previously, but once, get your contacts in the system, connect your email, connect your calendar, those types of things, so we can start seeing as much data as possible about these prospects. And then what we want to do is simplify some content for you or for anyone else helping you with sales. So there's two things here that you should do quite quickly: templates and snippets. And you should understand how you want to use them and how the snippets might differ from templates for your own personal use. So for me, let's start with the templates. So anytime, and they put a few in here so you can see some examples, just delete those or get rid of those if you need to. But the best thing to do is start thinking about repetitive content that you email, okay? So in this case, I'm going to, when I think about it, something I have to send often is a quick overview of what the company does, who we target, and then invite them to book a call if they're interested. This could be because someone refers me to someone. Might be a, hey, so-and-so referred me, here's some information, let me know if you'd like to proceed and have a chat. Could be, new connection, and they say, tell me more about what you do. These are all common things that happen, and what I want is a template that I can use in my email all the time. So there is a template library, lots of cool stuff here, so you can get some that are almost completely ready, but I'm going to go ahead and do one from scratch for the purpose of this, and we'll walk through it. So this is your internal name should be something that you don't, it makes sense no matter what. I used to be the worst about making names that were just, didn't make a lot of sense, but I'm going to say email to share overview of services and invite to a qualification call, basically. So okay, so there we go with that. And then the subject, I will start grabbing this from my content. So I grabbed this before. Sorry if you can hear that animal. So here's my text. Go back here. So I'm going to paste this. I'm just going to paste without formatting for now because I want to do a little bit of formatting. And this subject, as I look at this, it's a little salesy, right? So I'm going to pop this up here and I might do and say how you needy. This is a mock company. How's you needy? Helps you attract, engage, and convert. And then I'm just gonna delete that. So therefore, I feel like at least this is not cold email, right? So they sort of know who I am. And what I want to do first is I want to do the personalization. So I want to personalize the first name. And then a little comma afterwards. We're good. And I like to do, I don't like to say hi first name. I like to just say first name. So Sheila. And what I like to do is, for some reason in the database, if I don't have the first name, my default global replacement is going to say hello. So it's easy. I'm covered. Either say Sheila or hello, comma. They both work. They're both perfect. So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to just review add, format it slightly, and do any personalizations I want to. So, here's where I could do, the company name, right? Your company. So, do you ever feel like your Zuniti website is a revolving door with visitors, blah, blah, blah? And we'll look at that the alternate text. If I don't have a company name, I would probably put that your own website or something, or your business website. That probably sounds better. So I would do that in this case. Blah, blah, blah. At Whitmer Group, we help. Here's how. 1, 2, 3. This, I don't like this hanging here, so I'm going to put that up and then straight. And then I'm not going to bold or anything, realize I'm just going to keep this super simple. And then we'd love to discuss, and then schedule a game plan chat today, exclamation, book me here. And I'll go ahead and just say, I'm going to link this, the meeting link. This is my meeting link. And you can have more eventually if you go up here. Whoops. Change book me here. So do that. And there you go. So, this is telling me this is 2 words. So I always do that. So here we go. So I'm going to, this is ready to roll. Oh wait, sorry, I forgot. So here, please check out blah, 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 and I would insert just a link. If you don't have the site ready, or if you have a services sheet, you can also put other stuff here. Zuniti website. And then the URL, I don't think it's set up yet, but I'll do this. And then apply. I might just change this to a little bit of a colon. There we go. So this is my template. They have 2 content suggestions. The email length, it's long. Okay, maybe I'll shorten it. Subject line, help is a common spam. This is really good, right? Help is, it may trigger filters. So, how's it needy? And I'm just going to make it more specific. Attracts, engages, and converts. Okay, so that's it. Now there's still, let's check these again. So email length, more tips, and lots of tips. That's why I love using some of this stuff, because you get some really good stuff. This looks good. So this is shared with everyone. So if I want a salesperson to use something like this, the other thing you can do here is, instead of putting my name, you can default it to say it's from the owner of this contact. So in your database, you choose who owns it. Well, if my salesperson owns it, then this would come from them versus from me. And that way, then when they use it, it just defaults to, or let's say I send this email, but it's from someone else because they own that contact. That's another way to do it too. So I'm going to save this template, and now it's here. And I will just go ahead and show you a use, right? So pretty straightforward. And let me just see. I have myself here. Open. Now, just so you know, this also can be connected to your email program, which is how I typically use it. Go straight to my email, insert the template. All that stuff is integrated because I have those extensions and things connected. So here I'm just going to click email within the contact record. Here we go. And now I'm going to go to a template. And I am going to select that one. And like you say here, it's going to default, put in the information I have here. like the person's name, it's going to me that actually put that in there because of the contact record. And then what I'm going to do is just send. I can also create a task to follow up with this person if I want to later, and then click send. So that's the use for the template. And then the only other one, if you want to look at snippets, is to check here. We're going to create a quick snippet. So snippets are specific uses, right? So I'm going to grab this snippet here. I'm going to show you this is just a little bit different. Someone asks to quote, tell me more about Zoom meeting. And I know this is similar, but this is something, what happens with this is that this looks good, and you can now you can also shortcut. This is intro or something like that. It's not the best one. You want it a little more defining. But what happens here is, so we go here, and right now we can get 5 with the free. So we go back to the contacts, and let's say that the person responds to another type of email back and forth, and it's within a conversation. They're saying, hey, will you send me something, and then, you know, tell me, you know, more about you. Like, this is not the best instance maybe, but snippets are things that are used within conversations regularly as well. A good use of this, which I didn't show you here, was, hey, do you know how to do blank? Do you know how to create a website on the free CRM? I would create a snippet that said, yes, I do. Here's the link to the YouTube video. Check it out. Let me know if you have any more questions. That's a perfect snippet. I don't have to go find the link. I don't have to go grab anything else. It's right there. So this would be a similar process, but it's just something you use within the conversation. And once you do this, the best part is as you grow, as you have other team members, then you start to have you know, things that you approve them using, basically, right? So you're like, okay, yes, I like that. You know, that's good that they use that. So here, and here's your snippets, right? And then here it is. And it just kind of pops it in there. But in my case, I can really see, like, you know, how do you do this? Here's a video that, and it links out. So someone doesn't have to go look for the video link, put that together. You have text that they can grab for everyday use. It's also good for clients, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that was today. Snippets, templates, sort of shorten that communication and ensure that anybody helping you with sales has these tools and you like what it says. It makes sense. It's branded, all that kind of stuff. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you next time.